What if the next level of your brand was one connection away?
I see a lot of people a couple of years ago, they said they were going to change. Last year you said you're going to change. This year you said it was going to be a different year. Here it is halfway through the year. Where do you stand?
For what I'm bringing to Brand X for you is confidence, clarity, and control of your financial future.
I'm coming into Brand X with an open mind and an open heart. And the biggest thing that I want to take away from this, because there's going to be amazing, phenomenal people there, is going to be building more relationships.
I'm going to teach you how to take gigantic risks in your life, but make sure that those are very, very carefully done so there actually isn't a risk in your life. You're going to be able to achieve all the things you want to achieve because you took the leap and you have the opportunity to grow.
And the main thing I'm going to bring to you is show you how to be the best networker in the world. You learn how to network, you learn how to build your brand like Brand X, you're absolutely going to crush it in business and life.
And then the growth opportunities. There's so many amazing speakers.
You cannot miss this.
If you're ready to change your life, okay, you're ready to build yourself a brand, you're ready to grow your income, you're ready to recreate, build a new identity and become a different person, and find the next level in your life, you want to make sure you come to Brand X.
This event is going to redefine what branding is all about, and you're going to hear from amazing speakers, coaches, mentors, best kept secrets, fastest growing brands on what branding is all about. I want to tie you into an amazing network that drives me, motivates me, but mostly inspires me, and I know they will do the same. Grab your tickets, brandxexpo.com. Let's go.